Hey guys, this is Kyle with BMW of Bend. Today we're going to go over Sunroof Operation. Demo car is a 2018 BMW 530e. Let's go over the feature. All right, so the control for the sunroof is actually up here in this housing, kind of by the rear view mirror. The SOS button is up there as well, but the sunroof control is there too. So sliding the control towards the back will first open the interior cover. And then once the interior cover is open, then you can open up the glass section, the actual window itself. Now, to open, there's a couple of adjustments you can do. Now, you can kind of fine tune it and slowly open, or just slightly open up the interior cover. Or you can fully open it by, if you pull the control back, there's a resistance point. You can feel it click past a resistance point, at which point it would just fully open the interior cover. Same is true for the glass window. Once you get the cover open, same control will open up the glass too. So sliding it back opens, and if you want to close either the glass or the cover, slide the control forward, and the same thing applies. So you can do slight adjustments, or you can fully close it by one click going past that resistance point. Now on the control, you'll also notice there's kind of this indented section on the slider with a broken line. That's trying to illustrate that you can prop vent the window open, so if you just wanted to ventilate the cabin, you can do that. So once you have the interior cover open, if you just press it like a button, you can prop open the glass. You can close the interior cover slightly, but you can't close it all the way and have the glass propped open like that. So notice that, that's normal operation. If your car is doing that, that's fine. All right, so there's a general overview of how to use the sunroof. If you have further questions, let us know at BMW of Bend by giving us a call or stop by.
Kendall, let's start something great.